We apologize for the abrupt change of our normal programming, but we're suspending all BDN programming for an important announcement. Please wait for further instructions and remain calm at all times. This is BDN, broadcasting for America. We have interrupted our regularly scheduled programming to bring in this important announcement for the whole country. Please listen carefully. Since 2022 all the way to 2024, there have been rumors of the upcoming MD20 Glitch Doomsday, led by a still image of Jamie Boone snoring or even sleeping. Others think that will cause catastrophic events, massive strikes, or even a potential end of the world. There are two most important things right now. First of all BDN channels have suspended regular programming to merge with this announcement, and secondly, this broadcast shall stay on the air for as long as possible to bring you updates. Last night on March 5th, the day when the MD20 festival began, fireworks has been set off automatically due to the MD20 glitch. They are going in all directions, or crashing into each other, or crashing to the ground, spraying massive fires. Many buildings and popular landmarks were engulfed in flames, and there were reports of injuries or reports of some losing their lives due to the fire. Our hearts go out to those who have been affected by this extremely dangerous event recently, but thankfully, as of today, the fire has been put out by helicopters and the fire department in the early hours of the morning. However, the MD20 festival will still be ongoing in the UK despite this dire situation in the US. If you bought tickets for the event and tour concert, we recommend you participate and be comfortable during this time of the 2025 event. Normal programming shall now resume for as long as possible. We thank you for your time and cooperation. Wait, who the heck was